Student, today's topic objective of tabulations. Okay, objective of tabulation. The purpose of tabulation is to present data in the simplest possible form. The main objective of tabulation are as under. First, it simplifies the complex data. A tabulation is a scientific process to present data in an ordinary manner. It presents information in simplified and meaningful form. Okay. Third, it facilitates a statistical analysis. Various statistical measure like average, dispersions, regressions, etc. can be confirmed easily from the systematically tabulated data. Fourth, to present facts in the minimum space. A table presents fact in minimum of space and communicates information in a fair, better way the textual material. Importance and advantage of tabulation. Tabulation is an important process between collection and classification of data and their interpretations in tabular presentations of data has several distinct advantages. They are: first, it simplifies facts. Tabulation is helpful in presenting mass of complex data clearly so that their feature can be easily be understood. After tabulation, data get a definite form and structure and can be studied from up to below and left to right easily. It reveals patterns within figures which cannot be seen in narrative form. Second, economy. It occupies less space than textual reports, have saving of paper and time. Third, helpful and comparisons. Tabulation make comparison easy, comfortable figures and placed in juxtaposed columns. Hence, a comparative study can be made. Fourth, facilities compilations. It helps in comparison of different statistical measures for collecting average, dispersions, corrections, etc. Data must be presented in tables. Help in reference. Tabulated data are good for reference purpose. Help in interpretations and presentations. It is convenient to interpret tabulated data. Tabulated data make it easy to present the facts in graphical and diagrammatic form. Okay, objective of tabulations and importance and advantage of tabulation. Okay, आज के लिए इतना ही. Thank you.